Picture this. You've just boarded your cruise. Instead of joining the long line, a smiling crew member waves you over and quietly escorts you straight to your cabin. No upgrade fee, no special booking, just one of many hidden perks reserved for travelers over 70. Perks most people don't even know exist. Today, I'll reveal 13 secret benefits that cruise lines rarely advertise. But once you know them, you'll never cruise the same way again. If you're over 70, or cruising with someone who is, you've earned these quiet courtesies. And trust me, perk number 7 alone might save you hours of your life on every cruise. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe, because this channel is packed with insider cruise tips that will save you time, money, and stress on your next voyage. 1. The invisible upgrade. Imagine booking the most basic interior cabin, only to arrive and discover you've been moved to a beautiful midship balcony, without paying a single extra dollar. That's exactly what happened to my 72-year-old friend. She didn't request it, she didn't hint at it, it just happened. Cruise lines know that for seniors, being closer to elevators, dining areas, or midship means less walking and more comfort. While they never advertise it as a perk, subtle cabin upgrades and better locations are sometimes quietly offered, especially on less crowded sailings. Think of it as a thank you for being part of a valued cruising demographic. The key? When booking, always mention your age and, if relevant, any mobility preferences. This simple step can influence your cabin assignment more than you realize, and sometimes it leads to a surprise upgrade that transforms your entire voyage. 2. The hidden concierge. You don't have to book the most expensive suite to get concierge-level attention. Many seniors, especially those with loyalty status, experience what I call soft concierge service. This isn't in the brochure, it's not announced at check-in. But the moment a crew member notices you might appreciate extra help, doors start opening. They might personally handle your dining reservations, adjust your shore excursions, or even troubleshoot the ship's app for you, and then check back later to make sure everything's perfect. I've seen guest services quietly hold preferred tables for older travelers, arrange last-minute bookings, and smooth out the tiniest details so their cruise is effortless. The secret is to simply ask, walk up to guest services, explain your request politely, and let them work their magic. You may be surprised by just how far they'll go to make sure your experience is seamless and stress-free. 3. VIP shore access. Shore days can be exciting and exhausting. Long lines for tender boats, crowded buses, and fast-paced tours can make the experience challenging. But here's the hidden truth. Seniors are often given subtle priority to make these moments easier. They might be guided to a faster tender line or offered the front seats on a tour bus for comfort. Sometimes the pace of a walking tour is quietly adjusted with more frequent rest stops, so you can truly enjoy the destination without feeling rushed. These courtesies aren't printed in any brochure, they're simply part of the quiet respect shown to older travelers. The key is to let the shore excursions desk know about any mobility concerns before your trip ashore. Doing so often unlocks a smoother, more comfortable experience that lets you focus on the beauty of the destination. 4. Dining without limits. On a cruise, food is everywhere. But for some seniors, dietary needs can make mealtimes stressful. What most people don't realize is that cruise dining teams excel at customizing meals, often at no extra cost. I once met a passenger who had difficulty chewing. Instead of limiting her options, the chef personally prepared soft, flavorful versions of her favorite dishes every night. It wasn't on the menu. It was just thoughtful service. The key is to speak to the maitre d' early, ideally on the first day. Explain your preferences, allergies, or special requirements. Once they know, they'll work with the kitchen to ensure every plate is exactly right for you. Whether it's low sodium, gluten-free, or simply softer textures, your needs can almost always be met, discreetly and deliciously. Don't settle for less when the culinary team is ready to make every bite an absolute pleasure. 5. Social hosts beyond dancing cruises aren't just about destinations, they're about connection. Many ships quietly provide social hosts for older guests who are traveling solo or simply want more companionship. These hosts aren't just dance partners, they're conversationalists, bridge partners, and friendly faces in the lounge. I've seen them transform a guest's cruise from solitary to socially rich, simply by including them in games, afternoon teas, or trivia sessions. These hosts know how to make everyone feel welcome without it feeling forced. If you'd like to meet one, the best approach is to ask the cruise director or activities staff early in the voyage. They'll connect you with the right person and suggest activities where hosts will be present. It's a subtle, behind-the-scenes service that can add warmth, friendship, and a sense of belonging to your journey. 6. Medical care that finds you. Cruise ship. Medical teams aren't only there for emergencies, especially for older passengers. On many sailings, they take a proactive approach, checking in if they know you have certain conditions. I recall a gentleman in his 80s who had mild heart issues. After noting it in his file, the onboard nurse visited him twice during the cruise just to ensure he was feeling well. It wasn't intrusive, it was reassuring. The key here is communication. When you first board, visit the medical center and let them know about any non-critical conditions, even if you feel fine. This not only ensures they're aware but also puts you on their quiet watch list. Should anything happen, they'll already know your history and respond faster. On a ship far from land, that kind of attentive care can be the difference between a minor concern and a major disruption to your trip. 7. Quiet fast-track boarding and exit. This one alone can save you an hour each way. While official priority boarding usually comes with a price tag or loyalty perks, many seniors are quietly escorted to shorter lines. No special status required. It's not heavily advertised, but embarkation and disembarkation staff often watch for passengers who may benefit from a smoother process. If you're patient, friendly, and politely ask whether there's a less crowded option, you might be guided to a side entrance or an expedited lane. I've seen it happen in both ports and tender boarding areas, and the difference is huge. Fewer crowds, less standing, and far less stress. The best time to inquire is right when you arrive at the terminal or just before exiting the ship. Sometimes all it takes is asking the right crew member at the right moment to shave precious time off your travel day. 8. Reserved comfort in theaters. Cruise ship. Theaters can get packed fast, and the most comfortable seats aren't always easy to grab. But here's a little-known secret. Ushers often guide seniors to accessible, more comfortable spots, even if the room is nearly full. These seats tend to be near aisles for easier access, with better sight lines and extra space for mobility aids if needed. You don't need a special ticket or reservation, but you do need timing and approach. Arrive a little early, make eye contact with a staff member, and let them know if you need a seat that's easier to get in and out of. In most cases, they'll gladly lead you right to a prime spot. It's a small courtesy, but it can make the difference between watching a show in comfort or spending 2 hours squeezed into the back row with your knees in someone else's back. 9. Wheels on demand. Even the most active travelers can face moments of unexpected fatigue or injury during a cruise. That's when a quiet but powerful perk comes into play. Temporary wheelchairs or scooters loaned directly from the ship. You don't have to pre-book them, and in many cases you don't even have to pay if it's short-term. I've seen guests twist an ankle in port and still enjoy the rest of their voyage with the help of an onboard mobility aid. The process is simple. Visit guest services, explain your situation, and they'll arrange delivery, sometimes within minutes. This isn't just about convenience, it's about freedom. Instead of missing activities or excursions, you can keep exploring without strain. Whether it's a day, a few hours, or the rest of the cruise, having wheels on demand ensures that a small setback doesn't derail the adventure you've been looking forward to. 10. Hidden learning experiences. Cruises aren't just about beaches and buffets. Many ships quietly host niche lectures that appeal to curious minds, especially seniors who love lifelong learning. These sessions might cover topics like maritime history, classical art, astronomy, or even current events, all led by passionate experts. They're usually held in quiet lounges or small theaters, away from the main crowds. I've seen guests stumble upon a lecture about ancient trade routes and end up attending every single talk that week. The trick is to read your daily planner closely. These events are often tucked between more popular activities like trivia and dance classes, so they're easy to miss. Attending them not only adds depth to your trip, but also introduces you to fellow travelers with shared interests. It's a calm, enriching way to spend part of your day, and a reminder that a cruise can feed your mind as much as your senses. 11. Dining table matchmaking. One of the quietest but most thoughtful perks for older guests happens before you even sit down to dinner. Dining staff often arrange tables so seniors are seated with similar age, like-minded passengers in quieter, more relaxed sections of the dining room. It's not random, it's intentional, based on your booking preferences and sometimes just from chatting with you on embarkation day. I've seen lasting friendships form over these table assignments, turning strangers into travel companions for future cruises. If you prefer a certain dining style, social and lively or calm and intimate, let the maitre d' know before your first dinner. They can match you with the right tablemates, making mealtime something you look forward to. It's more than seating. It's an opportunity for meaningful conversation and shared memories that can make your cruise even more special. 12. Luggage angels. While every passenger's bags are handled, seniors often get an unspoken level of priority when it comes to luggage delivery and transfers. This isn't an official policy you'll see in a brochure, but it's a common courtesy extended by attentive crew. I've watched porters quietly pull senior passengers' bags from the pile to make sure they arrive sooner, especially on embarkation day. During disembarkation, they'll sometimes offer to escort luggage all the way to a taxi or shuttle, sparing guests from navigating crowded hallways with heavy bags. The key is simple. Ask for help at busy times, especially if you have mobility concerns. Crew members are happy to assist and often go above and beyond without making a big show of it. It's a small kindness that makes those hectic arrival and departure moments feel calmer, smoother, and far less stressful. 13. Private morning spaces. One of the most overlooked senior perks happens before most passengers even wake up. Many ships quietly open lounges, cafes, or scenic decks early in the morning for older travelers who prefer peace and quiet. These aren't officially advertised, they just naturally become calm, low-traffic spots, and crew often make a point to keep them serene. I've seen seniors enjoy coffee on an empty promenade, with crew greeting them by name and even offering early pastries before the crowds arrive. It's a way to start your day without the rush. No lines, no noise, just your ship and the sea. The trick? Ask staff what areas open first or where the quietest spots are in the morning. They'll often guide you to a tucked-away lounge or outdoor deck. It's a simple but powerful benefit, a calm, private start to every day at sea. These 13 senior cruise perks aren't in the brochures, but they are real, and they are yours to claim. They're the kind of quiet advantages that can turn a good cruise into an unforgettable one. Knowing these gives you the confidence to ask the right questions and enjoy every moment. Which perk surprised you most? Comment below so we can build the ultimate list together. And if you're planning a cruise soon, make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss out on the next hack.